We paid 33 billion on this job since September. Nothing reasonable has been done on the job.
Hey! Obokwana obeli o. Engineer David Umahi, who the former governor of Ebonyi State, who bụ the current minister for work na Nigeria. Ya bụ nwoke na-anwakwa n'ike ya. I wish na other ministers, the president, ma other people nọ na federal government ga-adị active or no dị active. Ọ na-anwakwa n'ike ya bụ nwoke. Mana ebe o si wekazie njọ bụ na the system dị on ground na Nigeria dị very very corrupt. To the extent na one tree cannot make a forest. So ya nwa enwere ike make the change. Watch an video aka ọ nọfọ the moment ọ nọ na-apịasu na-abalụ ndị nyere ọrụ ụzọ. Jide ọrụ ụzọ na-alụ rubbish. Kapịkọ ọtụtụ okwu. Watch the video.
We paid 33 billion on this job since September. Nothing reasonable has been done on the job. And then we are here under our nose. This thing. I was here 2 weeks and I did the same thing, and they continue to feed this thing with, useless laterite. If it's even laterite, it's a different ball game. But this is clear. And by right, it's not supposed to be on the job. Only current registered engineers are allowed to be on our project site. Look at what you people are here. Look at what is happening. All these engineers of the ministry should report to Abuja, immediately, first thing on Monday, including you, and then write to RCC management to proceed to see us. It's a shame.
Honorable Minister, not only you.
I've sent him out of sight. Sent him out of sight. Where is the other woman? You are the acting controller from now. I've indicted you more than 5 different times. Each time I come, you don't seem to know what you are doing. Okay? You don't seem to know what you are doing. I suspended you before. Record you. Look at what you are doing to ourselves. Look at what you are doing to ourselves. At the end of the day, they will call the president, they will call the minister. But look at what you people are doing to the nation. I was here and they did exactly the same thing. And there was nothing in it. And we are paying for sharp sand. And we are paying very high for sharp sand. From today, you're out of the site, including you. 2 of you. You are not qualified to be on the site.
Okay.
And the job should stop. RCC management should see me in Abuja on Monday. For us to respect us. We are not stupid. We are not stupid people. Yeah. Pour water on it for him.
Be pressing it.
Press it.
This is what? No, it's not finished. Water. So this